Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make caramel pudding. Also it is called flan. For that what we need is I have taken mold, then I have taken sugar which is 50 grams in order to caramelize. And to make a batter, what I have taken is 400 ml of milk and 100 ml of cream. This gives you a better body. And 4 eggs, whole eggs, 100 grams of sugar, and also 1 teaspoon I'm going to use vanilla essence to this. Let's start with the caramel. So in order to make caramel, add sugar, add 2 tablespoons of water to this and keep it on medium flame. Do not mix it, do not put spoon and stir it. Let it get color by itself. Check this out, this is getting color now. Just stir it slowly without putting any spoon or anything. We need little bit more color. Check this out. Now I'm going to switch off the flame. Put this in the mold. Give a little bit of height, the rim. This we will keep this on the side now. Now we will do the batter part. Now I've kept milk on flame. I will add cream. Now the main reason why I've added cream to this is this gives you a better body. And also this milk, you don't have to boil this. You have to make it hot. Guys, the main reason why I told is not to boil the milk is in order to avoid getting air bubbles to the pudding. So this is good enough hot. I'm going to switch off this and let's do the other part now. So the next step is now we'll add vanilla essence to the eggs and also sugar. Do not whisk it. Just mix it. Now since our milk is very hot, I cannot add this milk immediately. Let it cool down, the milk. Meanwhile, we'll mix this and keep it. Now I will add milk to this. Guys, check this out. Mix this well. The main reason we need to add lukewarm milk is when you add hot milk to this, eggs will become scrambled. So that's the reason why I have left it in order to get not even room temperature, little bit more higher, like lukewarm milk. Now this batter is ready. We need to strain this up before we put it in the mold. Now I'm going to bake this one. In order to bake, we need to have double pan with water, boiling water down. So it is called double bath. Now guys, if you don't have oven, you can still use a cooking range with double boiling pan and cover it and cook it. You can make it there also. So this I'm going to keep it in the oven at 160 Fahrenheit for at least 1 hour. Guys, check this out. This is perfectly done. Now what main important thing is I let it cool down, and then once it is cooled down, you have to put knife, a sharp knife, fine knife, and leave the edges like this, and then you need to demold it. So now I'm going to demold this one. Keep the plate upside down. Guys, check this out. This is perfect caramel pudding. You can try this recipe, and please Give feedback in the comment section. See how soft it is. Check the texture. This is lovely. Follow each and every step. You can make this right at home. It's a very simple recipe, mostly loved by all. So you can prepare it and give it to your loved ones. They will all enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching the video and God bless you all.